Hello, my name is Haida from Kinetic Health, and I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Brightsquid for the first time. Following your appointment with one of our doctors here at Kinetic Health, if they think it's necessary, we will send you an email with exercises tailored specifically for you. This email will come through a service called Brightsquid. Brightsquid is a secure emailing service that we're using to currently send out all of our patient communications. The email that you receive for the first time will appear to come from Kinetic Health and will ask you to register for your secure account. When you click this button, you'll be redirected to an internet browser where you'll be asked to fill out a form and enter your birthday and create a password. After this, you can click register. If you entered your birthday correctly and are not allowed access to Brightsquid, please give us a call at Kinetic Health and we can fix this for you. After you click register successfully, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions of Brightsquid, and then you'll be allowed access to your inbox where you'll be able to see the email that we sent you. Moving forward, if you'd like access to your Brightsquid account, all you have to do is go to brightsquid.com and click login, where you can enter your email address and password, and you'll have access to your email. You'll also be notified through your regular email account when we send you a new Brightsquid email. From there, you can simply click login to Brightsquid and you have access. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call.